Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to make pizza in the Rotimatic. The Rotimatic is a device that makes rotis, pizzas, and even puris. Today I'm going to use the pizza mode. First step is to preheat our oven to 480 degrees. This is optional, but I'm also going to use a pizza stone, which also has to be preheated with the oven. The reason you want to use a pizza stone is the bottom gets very hot, so then it makes the bottom of the crust crispy. Pizza is divided into two parts, the dough and the toppings. For the dough, you're going to need 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons salt, and 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. To make our flour, we're going to combine our all-purpose flour with our whole grain flour. Okay. We're going to put them together and give it a nice mix. Now that my flour is mixed, I'm going to add my salt to the water. I'm going to add my salt to the water, and then my yeast. Once the flour is in, I'm going to add my yeast. Once the yeast is in, I'm going to give it a nice stir. Now that my flour is all mixed, I'm going to put it into my Rotimatic flour container. Now that all my ingredients are in the Rotimatic, I'm going to choose how many pizzas I want. Come here, Chef Amanda. How many pizzas would you like?
6.
Okay, put it in. Next step is to open the Rotimatic and press play. And then we're going to press play, start making pizzas. When making pizza, you can choose whatever toppings you'd like. I'm going to mix and match all of these toppings. I have chosen sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, broccoli, red onion, yellow bell pepper, minced meat, cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, marinara sauce, Alfredo sauce, spinach, and mozzarella cheese. My Rotimatic is making the dough. I'm going to start sauteing vegetables. I'm going to start sauteing the red onion. The reason I saute red onion is because it has a high water content. The reason I'm sauteing the vegetables is you take out the water from the vegetables. When you take out the water, you will not have a soggy crust. Onions are done. I'm going to take them out and put in my bell peppers. Next vegetable is yellow bell pepper. Bell peppers have a especially high water content. The reason you want to cook off your bell peppers is they have a very, very high water content. If you don't cook them off, they can make your crust soggy. I'm going to saute my broccoli. We're going to wait for our Rotimatic. The first pizza dough takes about 8 minutes, but after that, the Rotimatic comes much faster at about 1 minute per dough. You're going to want to cook your broccoli really quick because it burns very fast.
Oh, Chef Rahim, it's coming! Chef Rahim, the pizza came out.
First pizza we're going to make is an onion, minced meat, cheese pizza. I'm going to start off with some sauce. Put the sauce in the middle, and I'm going to spread it out. And then I'm going to add in my onion. My minced meat.
Daddy, I forgot to
And my cheese. It's then going to go into the oven for 4 to 6 minutes. Chef Amanda, what type of pizza would you like?
Spinach, cheese, and Alfredo.
Okay, to make that, I'm going to take some Alfredo sauce. To make the pizza, I'm going to put Alfredo sauce, spread it out, Then I'm going to take my cheese. And then I'm going to put my spinach. As you see right now, doughs are coming out almost every minute. Now I'm going to make a veggie pizza. I'm going to start off with marinara. Spread that out. And then I'm going to put some cheese. And then I'm going to put sun-dried tomatoes, my yellow pepper, my broccoli, and a little bit more cheese. The Rotimatic keeps spitting these out, so now we're going to start putting them into the oven. You're going to want to cook your pizzas for 4 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to start making another pizza. We're going to again start with marinara and spread it out. Once it's spread evenly, we're going to start with some mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, then garlic, then minced meat, and then onion pizza.
It smells great, Chef Rahim.
It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to take my pizzas out. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. If I can make all these Rotimatic pizzas, so can you.
Time to eat. I'm hungry.